Today we are going to construct a rhombus. What is a rhombus? This is a rhombus. A, B, C, D. That is a rhombus. Rhombus is a. This is a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. In a parallelogram, EFGH, this is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. That means EH equal to FG, EF equals to EFHG. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is a parallelogram. Rhombus, that is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. All the sides are equal, not like this. Only in this, only opposite sides are equal. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal. Opposite angles also equal. Opposite angles, this D, angle D equals to angle B. That means here, that is 75 degrees. This also becomes 75 degrees. B. A, we'll name it as X. Then A angle equals to C angle. Opposite angles also equal. All the sides are equal in a rhombus. Parallelogram means only opposite sides are equal, not all the sides are equal like a rhombus. That is the difference from a parallelogram and a rhombus. Today we are going to construct a rhombus. First of that, here we have to understand here 7 centimeters given DC. That means all the sides are equal. Then we know DC equals to DC equals to AD equals to AB equals to BC. All the sides are equal in a rhombus. Right, now we are going to construct a rhombus. Before that, we can find out the angle of this. We already know this is 75 degrees, then B angle also becomes 75 degrees. Here we have to find, we already know all the angles together. A angle plus B angle plus C angle plus D angle added up to 360 degrees. Then we know D and B, that is 75 degrees each. Those two together, it makes 150 degrees. We name this as X. That means A plus C 2x plus 150 degrees equals to 360 degrees. Then we can move this to this side. Then 2x equals to 360 degrees subtract 150 degrees. Then 2x equals 0, 5 take away 6, 1 take away 3, 2. 210, that is 2x. X means 105 degrees. That means this corner is 105 degrees. Now we found this corner also. This is also 105. Now we can construct the rhombus easily. Right, first step is use a ruler. Draw the DC line. Keep the ruler, mark 0 point, and from 0, 7 centimeters. That is DC. That is 7 centimeters. Next step is we are going to construct this corner. We did this in earlier lesson. How to construct a corner. Right, keep the compass point on D and make arc. Okay, then from here to here, you already know this is 60 degrees. We construct earlier this 60 degrees corner, and this is 120 degrees corner. Then from here to here, that is 90 degrees. Okay, we can make imaginary lines on that. This is from here to here, that is 90 degrees. We need to make 75, then no need to think about this. This side we can draw an imaginary